Imagine this. Your heart suddenly starts racing. Your chest feels tight. Breathing feels difficult. Your body feels strange, unfamiliar, out of control. And the scariest part is, you don't know why it's happening. This overwhelming experience is known as a panic attack. And although it feels dangerous, confusing, and terrifying, it is actually the body responding to fear, not harm. In this video, we will gently walk through what happens inside your body during a panic attack. Understanding this process can reduce fear, restore control, and remind you of one important truth: a panic attack cannot harm you. A panic attack often begins with a trigger. Sometimes it's obvious: stress, trauma, exhaustion, or fear. But sometimes there is no clear reason at all. Your brain simply believes something is wrong. This belief may come from a thought, a sensation in the body, or even subconscious memories. The brain does not always distinguish between real danger and perceived danger. To your nervous system, fear feels real, even when the threat is not. Deep inside your brain lies a small structure called the amygdala. It is responsible for detecting danger and protecting you. When it senses fear, it reacts instantly, much faster than logical thinking. During a panic attack, the amygdala becomes overactive. It sends an emergency signal to the rest of the brain. Something is wrong. Prepare to survive. This signal bypasses rational thought and activates the body's alarm system. Once the alarm is triggered, the body enters fight or flight mode. This is an ancient survival response designed to protect humans from predators. Your body believes it must either fight for survival or run away immediately. Even though no danger exists, the body responds as if a life-threatening event is happening right now. This is why panic attacks feel sudden and intense.
The adrenal glands release adrenaline into the bloodstream. Adrenaline is a powerful hormone. It increases strength, speed, and alertness. Your body is now fully prepared for survival. But when there's no real danger, this surge of energy has nowhere to go, and it becomes overwhelming.
Your heart begins to beat faster and harder. This is not a heart attack. It is the heart doing exactly what it was designed to do. The purpose is to pump oxygen-rich blood to muscles, preparing the body for action. Unfortunately, the pounding heart is often misinterpreted as danger, which increases fear and fuels the panic. Breathing speeds up to bring in more oxygen, but rapid breathing can cause an imbalance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. This can lead to sensations like shortness of breath, chest tightness, or feeling unable to breathe deeply. These sensations are uncomfortable, but not dangerous. Blood is redirected away from digestion and toward the arms and legs. That's why symptoms may include nausea, stomach discomfort, a hollow feeling in the chest. The body temporarily shuts down non-essential functions to focus on survival. Changes in breathing and blood flow can cause dizziness. Some people feel lightheaded, others feel detached from their surroundings or body. This is known as depersonalization or derealization. It feels strange, but it is a protective response, not a sign of danger. Your body struggles to regulate temperature. You may sweat intensely or feel cold and shaky. This happens because the nervous system is overstimulated. Again, uncomfortable but temporary. Muscles tighten and nerves fire rapidly. This can cause shaking hands, tingling sensations, numbness around the mouth or fingers. These sensations often increase fear, but they are simply the nervous system overreacting. This is the most frightening part. The mind tries to explain the intense sensations and often jumps to the worst conclusions. I'm dying. I'm losing control. I'm going crazy. But these thoughts are symptoms of panic, not reality. No one has ever died from a panic attack.
The panic attack reaches its peak. This is usually the moment of greatest fear. But here is something important to remember. The body cannot stay in panic forever. Adrenaline naturally burns out.
The parasympathetic nervous system slowly activates. Heart rate decreases. Breathing slows. Muscles relax. The storm inside the body begins to pass. This happens even if you do nothing at all. You may feel tired, emotional, or drained afterward. This is normal. Your body worked hard to protect you, even though protection wasn't needed. A panic attack is not a weakness, it is a misfiring survival system. And most importantly, you are safe. You always were.